Okay guys, welcome to the channel. I know I've been away a little bit, but I had a little bit of a health problem, nothing serious. It's all cleared up and I'm 100% fit, 100% raring to go. So what we're going to do tonight is we're going to take you along and we're going to shoot a nighttime scene, a street scene. But this time we're going to do a little bit different because I love these pools of light and shadows, guys, and I love the secrecy and the little bits that are revealed. But tonight I need to add a little bit of light to various aspects, so we're going to do some light painting. We're going to use our torch and we're going to paint in sections that we need, or we feel that we need light in. So it's going to be an exciting evening, and what we'll do is I'll take you along. Let's go and see, and we'll see what we get. Really guys, thank you for being with me, and let's hope you enjoy this. Okay guys, so we're off today. We're going to take a street scene. This is going to be for an ongoing project I've got, which I'll tell you guys about another time. But we have to be there at sunset because obviously we're taking nighttime images. So come along with us, we're going to have a wander and we'll see how it goes. So let's go. Okay guys. So now we enter the city of Vittoriosa. Vittoriosa, or Borgo, is part of the three cities: Bormla, Borgo and Isla. And this is our location tonight. It's a small back street and we're off to find the location. So here we are guys, we're at the location which we're almost up, which is of course the law at the moment because of COVID, but hey, it's not a problem, we can manage with that. So we're at the location, we're going to be shooting down the street here. Now I'll get all the gear set up and we'll take you guys and let you have a look at what we're doing. At the moment we're nice and early, so we have to wait for sunset, which is no watch. Who needs a watch? We have a phone. So it's 4:30, so it's about half an hour to sunset, and then we will shoot for about an hour with the blue hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out the lenses and see which is the best lens for the shoot, and once I've got set up, I'll let you guys have a look at what I'm doing. So no worries, let's get on with this. Let's do it. Okay guys, so we've taken a base shot, we've taken one shot which is giving us the darkness for the buildings. Now as we take shots later on, the sky will naturally be dark. But that doesn't really matter, I don't care about that. It's the buildings and the street, and when the street is lit up, we'll have a good basis for working on. So now I just have to wait till it gets dark. So bear with me guys, and you'll see what we're doing. Okay guys, so you've seen what I'm doing with the torch. Now the torch is very blue and this light is very yellow, so both have to be adjusted, but that's easy enough to do because the torch light will only be in certain areas. So what I'll do is where the bits that I blend in with the torch, I'll just change the colour slightly so it'll all match up, so that's no problem. You've seen me run around and do the light painting, which is crazy. There's a car park down the street, but I think I have enough to blend everything together to get this sort of image I want. How many shots have I taken? I've taken about 30. So the car being in it, it's a nuisance, but what's happening is that we're taking the shots of the bit I've painted. What's in the street doesn't matter. We took those shots earlier. So all is good, all is well. And I think, to be honest, that's about it, guys. So, that's it. And we'll go back to the computer, we'll put it all together, and we'll do this video for you. I hope you enjoy it, but it's been a bit of fun to do. Frustrating, like always, but hey, we're in the public, we're dealing with people. Okay guys, so you can see the car parked right in the shot, but we've about finished, so we should have everything we need. Next time what I'll do is I'm going to block all the roads off and not let anybody drive down them, so that'll be cool. But this is where people live, so we have to work with it. Luckily we were here early enough. I'm sure if sunset was later, all these cars would be here, it would be a no-go. But because we started early, about 5-6 o'clock, it means that we've done everything we need. So that's good. So let's go back to the computer, guys. I'm going to pack up. You don't need to see that. I'm going to put my hat on because I did my hair today. I shaved my head. And it's getting a bit cold, so we go back to the computer. Come on guys, let's go and have a look at what we've got. I love these streets at night. I love the shadows, the bright spots. Well, they're a bit overexposed on this camera because we've got it on auto. And to be honest, it's a bit of a struggle for me to do videos because when I'm doing the still pictures, I get so involved that everything stops. Just the way it goes, but hey, it's what it is. I'll try and do a good job with the video. I've got to get better because next year we're going to India, and we're going to India for 5 weeks, and there's got to be 5 weeks of videoing, guys. So this is good practice. But what a nice street, what a nice scene. You see how the lights bring pools of light and pools of shadow. And that's what it's all about when you shoot at night, guys. This is what I live for. This is my thing. Yeah, I shoot models. Yeah, pretty girls. But guys, I love this. This is how it works. So I'm going to put you away now, and you don't need to see the rest of the walk. And hey, till next time, guys. Okay, guys, so you've seen the video, you've seen what we get up to. Sometimes it's frustrating, people get in the way, but you just have to work around them. So let's have a look at the image. Let's look at the final result. So guys, this is the final image, and as you can see, I think it's worked out pretty well. Now there's a lot of blending going on, and it's beyond the scope of this video to do it. If you guys are really interested, then I will do a section on how I blend the images in. We took about 30 images, and we've used about 8 to 10 of them. I don't know exactly, I would have to look it up, but what we do is we blend the light parts that we've light painted into the darker parts of the image, and we've added a little bit of magic, which is my little patented idea. Not really patented, but it is my idea. So we've added a little bit of that, textures, and we've edited the final image. Guys, if you like this sort of thing and you feel you'd like to have a go, well, have a look at the little ticker tape running below me, and I'm going to be running probably 3 or 4 courses next year, 2021, in June, July, August, September, and if there's a lot of requirement, then maybe one in October as well. But this is a week-long course, guys. It's not too expensive. You'll stay in a local bed and breakfast, and we'll get together and we'll go out and we'll have great fun at night. And if all this COVID thing is gone, then maybe we'll have a beer and a discussion, and I'll teach you how to edit. I'll teach you how to get the raw images that you need, and I'll also teach you how to edit them, and give you a few tips and tricks as well. So if that's your bag, guys, and you think you'd like to come and have a go at it, then drop me an email. It's mikesapiecha@outlook.com, and love to hear from you. Please like, subscribe. It does wonders for the channel. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for spending your time watching what I'm doing. It's a great blast, guys. I love this, and I love having you guys along with me. So until next time, and it'll probably be another street scene now, a little bit of light painting, then I'll see you then, guys. So thanks a lot, and see you soon.